Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's vlog, we're gonna be taking you guys through how I do my nails from this to this. And I'll also be sharing my secret tips on how to get 1.5 to 2 months of retention with these gel nails. So I've been doing my nails for the past year and I've always been getting compliments about how cute it is and how it's able to last for so long. So I thought, why not just make this video to share my tips and tricks with you guys. Oh, on a side note, this is gonna take a while, so don't mind me looking like this in my pajamas and my bare face. Let's go! So first things first, we're gonna be removing these old gel nails. It's been with me for about a month now and there is no lifting or whatsoever. And what I like to do is just to file off the top coat before I soak them in alcohol. Now I know people always say like no peeling your nails, right? Like don't peel your nails off, but honestly I gotta admit that I got the habit of peeling my nails whenever I'm stressed. So yeah, these are one of the rare times that I actually have my whole set with me. So after filing off like the top layer, I'm just gonna soak them in these alcohol pads just to soften this gel up before I file them off even more. So I also have these clips where it can help me hold my alcohol thing in place like this. So I find it really useful because it adds a layer of pressure on my nails. Okay, so I got my first hand done. Now we just gotta wait for about 30 seconds to a minute to let it soften up. I gotta look like a monster. Okay, so when your nails are soft enough, you can just push it out like this. So I'm done with removing the old nails. Now I'm just gonna trim them and kind of shape them into an oval shape. I've shaped my nails and kind of prepped them. I'm just gonna do my cuticles right now. I just like to push my cuticles down like that and then just trim the cuticles. So I like to use my cuticle scissors to just trim my cuticles. Okay, now that the cuticles are off, we're gonna go to the next step for nail prep. These two are my holy grail. We have the nail prep dehydrator and also the primer. And they're seriously a game changer when it comes to nail retention. Basically, the dehydrator removes any oils from your nail base and the primer makes your nails really nice and sticky so that the gel really bonds and stays. I actually learned this tip from a home-based nail tech when she first put it on me, and since then I've been religiously putting them on during my nail prep. Alright, so now that we have our dehydrator and primer on, we're gonna be going to our next step, which is the base gel. This step is actually very important because it sets the foundation of your nails. I always make sure to apply a thin and even layer, and the key here is not to make the part nearest to your cuticles too thick. If it's too thick, that's where lifting is most likely to happen. Now once you're done, just leave it to cure. Again, don't rush this step because you want it to dry fully to prevent lifting. Alright, another tip for tonight. If you guys are brittle nail girlies like me, always apply a nail strengthener because it adds in another protective layer to your nail to make it stronger as well. Just apply a thin layer and it really does make a difference in how sturdy your nails feel. If you're dealing with weak nails, definitely give this a try. It's a total lifesaver. So I've been doing my nails pretty frequently last year and I've noticed that my nails are actually quite weak because I don't let it rest after each set of nails. So I found this nail strengthener very useful because it adds a protective layer and makes my nail thicker so that it doesn't break so easily. I also go to the gym very often, so the last thing I want is my beautiful nails to break on me while I'm gymming, right? So yes, this nail strengthener, my holy grail. Okay, now that our nail prep is complete, let's start with the design. For this design, I'm going for something festive since Chinese New Year is around the corner. This is my inspiration picture. I'm actually going for an orange mandarin and also some design inspired by Chinese pottery. I start by putting the base coat of the colors. Honestly, it's not looking really good, but let's trust the process. Now let's start with the orange design first. It was quite doable because the design wasn't very intricate and there are many tutorials I could learn from. Alright, now moving on to the 3D gel for the orange. It gives this amazing raised effect that really brings the details to life. It's my first time working with 3D gel, so pardon me if I'm doing it wrongly. Now moving on to the porcelain inspired painting. Honestly, this is my favorite part of this design. Okay, I'm done with these two oranges. Now I am gonna do my porcelain ones. Woo! It's crazy. So I'm done with my left hand. I'm just gonna do my other hand now. I'm a right-hander, so drawing my left hand requires a lot of focus from me, and you can obviously see my left hand shaking so much. But a huge shout out to these dotting tools. It makes my life so much easier. Now going in with the fine lines, honestly this is the scariest part because it's so tiny. But yeah, here it is. Update on my nails. I'm done with my left hand and I'm almost done with my right hand. Time check, it's about 12:40 a.m. right now. Hopefully I get it done by 1 a.m. Nail update. I am almost done. I just need to do the 3D sculpting, the 3D gel for these two oranges, and I'll finally be done. Time check, it's 12:50 a.m. I really hope that I can get this done by 1 a.m. Now at this point I was really rushing through it because I was so tired and it became a mental game for me to push through. But yes, one last push before the final masterpiece. I'm finally done. I'm finally done. Oh my gosh. That has been a long, I think I started at 9 p.m. That has been a long 4 hours. I don't know if it's worth my 4 hours. I mean, I'll probably save like about $120 if I do this outside. But yeah, I'm very proud of myself. It's really very nice. Yay! So I just put on my top coat and I'm just so happy with these nails. It's so nice. Let me show you guys both sides. Oh my gosh. And like the details. Whoa. Ta-da! Here's my masterpiece. Honestly, I wasn't really vibing with the pinky, so I redid them another day. But yeah, here is the final look. Thanks for watching this video. See you guys in the next video. Bye!